One of the unique features of the BREWHA vessels are that each of the pots come with a large diameter port for the installation of a heating element, as well as thermowells for the installation of electronic temperature sensing probes which can control the electricity going to the heating element. So let's turn this vessel and zoom in and take a close look at how to install heating elements into these vessels. When you order an electric element from the electric brewery using the link on the BREWHA website, it's going to show up looking something like this. There's going to be electric heating element sticking out of a single gang box, cap on the back of the box, and a long extension cord going down to a plug at the end. The first thing that you want to do is to wrap Teflon tape around the thread on the element. So here I have some Teflon tape, just like the kind that you'll find at any hardware store. And I have a small 1500 watt heating element that I've taken out to show you more clearly what you need to do. When it arrives from the electric brewery, it's going to be sticking out of the one gang box. This is the heating element removed out. What you want to do is you want to take some Teflon tape. You're going to pinch onto it like that, and you're going to wrap it around the thread 3 or 4 times. Firm but not too tight. You want to do this in a clockwise direction because when you tighten the coupling, it's going to be turning in a clockwise direction as well, and you want to tighten the tape, not pull it off. Here I have the coupling on the end of a tri-clamp cap. This is the same piece of hardware that's going to fit right here with the heating element inserted. I'll keep using the 1500 watt just for simplicity's sake. It's going to work whether you have the 4500 watt or the 5500 watt heating element that comes from the electric brewery. Slide your coupling over with the coupling side in and just thread it on like that. When you're finished, it's going to look just like this. You can take a vice grip and tighten it on till it's very snug. However you want to do it, just make sure that it forms a tight seal. The first time you use this, you want to put water in and you want to make sure that you have no leaks coming outside this side around the box. Take the cap off, be very careful with the electricity. Do it before with it not being plugged in, and just see if you have any water on the inside. We've found after using them for a long time that they form a very good seal, and we've had no problems with leaking. Once you've installed the coupling onto the end of the heating element, you take your cap off of the large diameter port, you grab the Teflon ring in the clamp, you take your heating element, you slide the Teflon ring over it, you insert the heating element in like that, attach your clamp, tighten it, and you're ready to go. One other thing that I'd like to talk about is the plug. The plug that's going to come standard from Cal at the electric brewery is a locking type plug. It's a 30 amp locking plug. If you have a different electrical setup, you can ask an electrician to change the plug for you. If you're an electrician yourself, you can just take the plug off and put whatever you need on there. And that's it for how to install an electric heating element. They're super easy to install, and they're super easy to take out when you're done with brewing and you want to clean everything out super well.